We're just taking a look at Shiba Inu on the weekly time frame at the moment, so we can see this is in a strong bullish trend here. Quite like the chart. We are trading into this previous weekly high. Have a look at this. Okay, so we could grab this candle wick, pull it across. So at the moment, this is, well, it's wicked up into it and it's retraced. We go down to the daily time frame. Yeah, I mean, I quite like what I'm seeing on the chart here. You know what? This, to me, is the path of least resistance. We've got this price gap here and thin liquidity all the way up here. If you look at these candles, there's nothing left and right. Right, so the path of least resistance, in my opinion, takes us up into these highs here, closer to home here. We've run into resistance. This is resistance here, and the next level of resistance is right underneath, like right here. We've traded into resistance. We've pulled back into resistance. I think this works its way through. And I also like this pullback down in here. We've already tapped into that, this accumulation. So I'm definitely bullish with this. Let's just go down to, we'll just mark that up as a daily point of interest, and then I'll go down to the 4 hour and I'll give you a trade idea. So that's a daily. And look, these candle wicks here, consider there's stops resting under here. Let's just have a look at it on the 4H. These stops resting under this move here, this rally. You've got this range. Look what's happened here. It's tapped right into it. I mean, that would have been an ideal buy. Now we're trading up into a little bit of resistance under here, so just be careful. I mean, it has pushed through and it's now pulling back. I like it. I like it long. And a target would be if we grab this low to high, this price range. In fact, you know, an A, B, C, D measured move, something like that. But definitely this high, if we're talking a bullish trend and we're looking at higher highs, higher lows, then we break this high to give us another higher high. This is a target, and it's a fairly reliable target in my opinion, given that this is already trending bullish. So I'm going to be targeting this level here. Let's just call that a liquidity pool. You know what? I actually like this. I like this move. Look at this price swing actually from back here. If we grab a Fibonacci and we're in a trend continuation, low to high, the Fib pullback 61.8. That's a buy right there. We've missed that boat, but there's no reason why we can't enter at the current level. We can pull a Fib from here to here as well. See the 61.8, we're down in there at the moment, so I'm long. Go in with a market, it's a market buy. This is borderline at the moment. I prefer to get in at a discount, and the discount to me would be back down in here. Up around this 50, we're losing the discount. I mean, you know, you don't want to chase price, but I don't mind this price action and the fact that it's trending up. So I'm going to go with an entry in here, long position. Oh, well, go in at market. It's not the discount I would have liked, but here's the thing. Stop loss under the low, and let's just go back out to the daily and find some targets. If that's going to be my stop loss, okay, we'll start off with a 1-to-1 risk reward. So I'll just grab my risk reward tool. Yeah, I'm going to go a 1-to-1. If we pick up, see this candle body closes here, or candle bodies I should say. This level here around these highs would be a target. So that's T1. Let's just do that. At T1, I'm going to be looking to take 2/3 of my position out. Be conservative with your position size. There's a target to take 2/3 out. Where to from here? Well, that's a target. This here is a target. That's target 2 up in here. Target 1, 2/3, and you could scale out if you want. But guys, by the time this trades up and breaks, retests and fail and continues here, there's nothing in the way. There's no liquidity resting in this trend up until this level here, pretty much. There's a target. And after that, you know, we look at these levels up in here. So let's just see how we go. I mean, that's a fair way away, but ultimately, I mean, look, it doesn't stop there, right? Let's go to town with this thing. Ultimately, now, somebody wasn't quite sure about my risk reward, and he commented, you know, do you think it's going to pull back that far, or do you think it's going to trade that far? Here's the thing. I really want you to understand what I'm doing here with this crazy risk reward idea. What do we got? We got, oh look, it's only 8, not only, it's 8 to 1 risk reward. Here's the thing, what I'm looking for is to take 2/3 of my position off at this level here. That's most of my position. And then at that point, and I move this up under this candle low, this is a profitable trade regardless. And I'm done and dusted. The third of the position remaining, that stays in there, and we simply just trail it with our stop loss, and that's our ultimate target up here and beyond it. I mean, just stay in it as long as this trend stays intact. Look, for example, if you bought down here, this is what I'm getting at, long position. Let's say we got in down here. I think you know where I'm going with this, right? So there's your thing. Look at this, and you get all of this price action here. Look at it. You get out. I mean, if you can read the market well, you know, you get out up around these levels here. And that's a 9 to 1 risk reward. There's no reason why this won't travel. I mean, look how far this thing can travel. And look at this price swing here. So what I'm getting at is this is definitely doable. So we stay in it as long as the trend continues up. If the trend reverses, then, you know, we exit. So that's why I like to do this. And it only gets better from here. Here's the thing. Wrap your head around this. Okay, here's a price swing. All right, let's just have a look at these possible price swings. We enter here, we take 2/3 out, we pull our stop loss up. We're in the money, no matter what. It's risk-free. And then, if you plan this well, you're going to enter here as well. Every pullback, we're going to enter here. Every pullback. You know where I'm going with this. All right, that's the plan. And then you leave 1/3 of your position in. You're taking 2/3 out each time, and then you leave 1/3 of the position in. And then by the time, if this trades up into here and you've got 1/3 of all of these positions that you've been entering, running, think about it, come back to, and that's, look, I'm not a crazy moon kind of guy, but consider the concept. So guys, I think I'll leave it at that. That's my take on Shiba. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Comment. Click the link below. We've got a Telegram group you can join. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.